Kadochikov, com o deporte.
A peleia de revanche entre Mayweather Jr. e Chino Maidana está transmitida para a primeira viagem de história de boxeo na América em 570 teatros. Golden Boy Promotion e Fat Tom Event chegam num acordo por mirar a peleia arriba a pantalla grande dia 13 de setembro. Aqui na Aruba, por primeira peleia aqui na ATV. E muito não que o Tonga Tennis está em categoria massa está em campo com Julio Moros. Um grupo bastante grande de jovens tenistas está participando do campo com Julio Moros, que vai trabalhar bastante tempo com Nick Bollettieri. O conselho na turma de Julio está trabalhar duro, de vida, para lograr éxito.
The camp is really good. I mean, you got great talent in Aruba. The only thing is you got to expose the talent to go someplace else. And obviously in Aruba, so many times you can play, and to really become more noticeable, you have to go probably the States or Europe or Holland and make the kids shine them up someplace else.
You was talking to the kids about this? To be good in tennis or to go forward in tennis, you got to go out?
I told the kids, your number one priority in life is studies first and then become number one in the world. Those are your two things you have in life. So that's what you got to work for.
And tell us about the camp here.
The camp is great. Eddie Raz is the best. I know Eddie for the last 40 years. We've been friends since the voluntary days since 1981. So I enjoy very much here. I like it over here. I have a great kids. I get a great part with the kids, and I get along with with everybody here in Aruba.
Did I ask you some questions about your camp?
Yes, sir. My camp is in Sarasota, Florida, at a place called Sarasota Racket Club. It's a unique place down in the west coast of Florida. We are about an hour south of Tampa, right in this small town called Sarasota, Bradenton. We are surrounded by nothing but beautiful beaches like you have here.
But the camp back home is a lot of kids every day?
Yes, we have a lot of kids. We have not a great players, but we're trying to develop players, from the ages, 8, 9 years old, all the way up to 15, 16 years old.
About our kids' self, you say we have a lot of talents, but you got to work hard, huh?
Well, the kids over here are a little spoiled. Parents tendency to spoil the kids. I told the parents, your job is to support the kids, make them work hard, and pay the bill.
And they understood that?
Yes, sir. I think they understand that because some America, we are working with, hopefully, Eddie. Next year, we bring a camp for about 50 to 20 kids. They want to come to Sarasota, to my camp, for hopefully a couple weeks in the summer.
So you try to bring some kids from Aruba to your camp next year?
Yes, sir. That's what we are. I'm coming over here to create some little activity, let them know how hard. If you work hard in life, you'll be able to succeed.
Coisa que o Julio Moros sa visitor muito não bem camp para gasta placa de bom maior não. Porque bem camp para trabalhar duro e sim mais de tênis. Se não quer trabalhar duro e sim mais de tênis, não gasta placa de bom maior não. Vai cashback. Tá aí bom ponto que ele visita para o camp a começar. Aí, Francis?